Hello everybody, sorry for being late. I'm a little unprepared. Okay. Hello and welcome to my stream where I script 3D mission editor for Operation Flashpoint. So, last time I had trouble because the game was crashing. It said out of memory, which I find hard to believe. Maybe we really do run out of memory, who knows. Anyway, I haven't done anything about it because I was working on Fwatch. Yep, that's true. So let's see if I can do something about it today. Alright, so what I am doing that's suspicious. Another disable. This. Try again. Damn, this is so slow. Is the streaming interfering with the game too much? Well, I can execute this multiple times and no crashes this time. Let's go then with all the scripts. Ooh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Where do I load this file? DB. Okay, so I'm not loading the DB right now. I'm not loading the DB, but the interface scripting is still working. So let's disable it. Refresh category list. That is not working. Okay. Call refresh browser unit list. Okay, this is working. Like category selection 0. The current selection is minus 1. No, I'll add a condition. Here it's gonna be like this. If also no. If LB size 7 equals 0, meaning there are no elements to display, then I'm going to set selection to -1. Categories. I see. Category selection is larger than 0. Only then I'm going to load data. Okay, let's see how it works. Oh, it's still crashing. Let's disable some more code. And I'll see what it does now. Oh my god. It's still crashing. The fuck? Why are you doing this to me? Okay, this is working. I just enabled the interface. Why is the interface that's crashing? It's like, where is the interface crashing exactly? I just need to insert exit in random places and see what happens. Try to isolate the problem. Okay, right now it works. Okay. So something in this function is a problem. Refresh side list. Right, let's keep the exit here. Okay, it works. It's not this function. Is it this one? No, it's not this one. Is it refresh unit list? Oh, it has to be. So let's say I'm going to comment out most of the code. It's gonna be like this. Okay, nothing. 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 Oh no. Nothing. Oh no. Still works. Still works. Still works. Still works. Oh. No, it doesn't. What is the problem here? Besides tree. Okay, so this code is working. I hate motorcycles. What? This is crashing? So this condition, unit selection, LB size, tree, what? Why? Why is this crashing? This is bizarre. Oh. What if I do this? It's still crashing. Where did it all go wrong? Huh? What? What's a syntax error? Oh yeah. Bloody hell. Why is unit selection a problem? LB size tree. Wait. Did I do anything to LB size tree? IDC 3. Unit list. I don't get it at all. Okay, now it's working. So like, if I call LB size, then it's not working? What if I do this? Oh, now it's working, okay. No problem. What if I do this? Yeah, now it's working, no problem. What if I do this? Now it's working, no problem. Oh, what do you know? What if I do this? It's still working. Okay. Is the chat a problem? Is it this command a problem? HUD is a problem? And what? If I do this. Okay, it's working. So I guess it's the HUD? That's kind of disappointing. Okay, now I want to enable back everything. Let's see if it's still... Let's just... No. Seems to be working just fine. Uh-huh. Yes. Wait, what is happening? Okay, so I guess crashing was caused by this Fwatch command. I will need to check why, but not right now. I will just give up. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Oh shit. Yeah. Is your PC... Hello, Edward Keller. Is your PC back from the fourth dimension? Yeah, sort of. Actually, no. Yeah, that's the... I'm working on Fwatch, and right now I'm on the version that is still work in progress. So I need to revert. Okay. Oh, actually, I can just do that automatically, so... Oh no, I can't do it automatically. It's gonna crash as well, okay. Okay, this should do the trick. Hopefully. Please work. No? What? Is this still no? Dialogue ask. Oh, I think I need to reload it. That's... Okay, now it's working. Let's see. This seems to be fine. Actually, let's do the update. If it still works. Still works. Yeah, okay. So... Oh, by the way, I figured out what was the issue with using the parameter Steam. So, if I added to Fwatch parameter Steam argument, then the Fwatch didn't work properly. And I figured out what was the problem. And it's a bit convoluted. Okay, so you're passing arguments to the game, let's say like this. And Steam is wrapping those arguments that have a equality sign with the quotation marks. So it actually gonna look like this when passed to the game. Okay. So what Fwatch is doing is adding no map automatically, because no map is required in Windows 7. Otherwise Fwatch won't work. Okay, so Fwatch is adding no map at the end. So it looks like this. And there's this funny game behavior. I think Mickey suggested that it's Windows, but no, I don't know. I think it's a game behavior. So if I add this argument after a quoted argument, then it won't work. It's like it's not there. So I changed Fwatch so that it adds no map at the beginning, and now it works. Yeah, I know, it's super weird. It's like, I don't know if it's Windows, because I can write like my own program or a batch script that just prints out arguments and it works. But it doesn't work with Flashpoint. Yeah. I can show you how this works actually. So the arguments that have equality signs should be at the end and nothing else after them. Okay, so let's add Steam. Oh, this is slow on the stream. But I have the game. And I have the overlay working. And Fwatch is working. So it works, I fixed it. Yep. Okay, I'm not gonna... right now. Why is the CMD hanging? Brilliant. Alright, back to work. Bravo, I can safely use Steam CWA now that it's infused with Fwatch. I mean, you can use it already. Like, if you... you can use the no launch like this, and then launch it with Steam, then it will work. But yeah, now I fixed it. So that you can use the Steam argument so that it, the Steam is launched automatically. It's convenient. Not really essential feature. Okay, hang on a second. Alright, back to work. So last time I remember I wanted a game logic. Oh, thank you Firefox, for crashing my live control. Aren't you awesome? Hello, Babinski. I'm back to work. Do I have oh, I have only reset. Oh, okay. I need to restore the previous mission SQL. Well, actually I can do it here. Only blank. I'm gonna load the old one. Here we go. We've got our game logic that is a Russian soldier. Ugh. Let's bring him here. I wonder if the AI will shoot him.
Two, attack, soldier. Roger.
Oh, they can attack. Dude, you can stop now. Like, what is this brutality? We're gonna mess up universe again. No, we're not. I thought it's gonna be some sort of game limitation, but it's actually the new Fwatch command. Oh, modifying memory is risky. Okay. So let's say I want to add unit here. Car. Well, let's just go Jeep. There we go. We've got a Jeep, but it's not added. What? Okay, the Jeep was created, but it wasn't added to the group. Why is that? Hmm. Let's go, please. Okay, it's in the SQL. What? What? Whoa! Okay. Dr. Emmett Brown said the same about time travel. Yeah. Okay, so I have no idea what just happened. First of all, the soldier turned into Jeep. And the Jeep is destroying the home. I move it. Whoa. This is bizarre. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to turn off the sound. Let's try again. Want to add 80 soldier. But it's not actually added. What is happening? Soldier turn into Jeep almost like in the OFP fly. Yeah. Except minus 100% sexy Jeff Goldblum. Okay, I need to know what is happening in the mission SQL. Group number 6, right? 5. No, it's not 5. What? Alright, launch. Speaking of flies, I need to get rid of this one. Goodbye. No more flies. See ya, I might come in later. See you. Okay. Why is this not adding more units? Oh, I need to know what are the values. Group ID and units selection. Group ID 6, unit selection 0. The count is 1, let's go count 0. Wait, what? I'm already adding objects here. Task complete. I want to refresh the group list. Some weird shit. After group. It's selecting the wrong group. Oh wait, I'm doing side empty. Insert vehicle? Wait, what? No. No, this is not working. The code is passing here, and it should display these two messages, but it doesn't? Sorry for being dumb, but is the 3D mission editor going to be similar to the one in Arma 3? I actually don't know how the Arma 3 mission editor works. Never tried it. Not really interested. And it probably won't work the same, because OFP is an old game and it's limited, and I'm basically doing what is possible. Like, stretching out the possibilities. More like coming with shitty workarounds. Arma 3 editor, I can imagine, is probably comfy and working 100% of the time. This one is going to be wonky, because just the nature of the OFP scripting. And Fwatch, obviously. What I wanted to do. I wanted to disable some chat messages here, because I don't need them anymore. Okay, got the group list, but it's the wrong group list. It's my group and not group number 6. Then now we're selecting the proper group. Unit selection 0. After group list. Group ID, unit selection 0. Arma 3 editor works 100% of the time, except the time when it doesn't work. It messed all my waypoints few times. Oh, that's interesting. I thought Bohemia Interactive means quality? Quality and reliability. Right? Bohemia Interactive. Nice one. Yeah, but seriously, how did it mess up your waypoints? I'm interested, actually. I don't know, somehow it changed both order and types of my waypoints in 2 separate cases. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, don't worry, this mission editor will never do that. Like, absolutely. 100% time. It will just crash instead. But not before it will corrupt the mission SKM file and you will lose all your progress. So, well, no, seriously, I don't see how my editor could mess up the waypoints. Because what I'm doing is not too complicated. Okay. What can mess up is the Fwatch SQM parsing. Not possible. Although it never happened to me, but it's always possible that it can corrupt the SQM file. So I'm planning on making backup every time we save something. Oh no, wait, it actually happened. Oh, it happened. Yeah, recently on the stream when I was saving the class properties, and it saved them without semicolon for some reason, and that's a bug that has to be fixed in Fwatch. But instead of fixing it, I'll just rather rewrite the whole thing. Okay. What was the problem? Yeah, I'm using group selection, so... Oh wait, the group selection should be the current group. The semicolon counter strikes again. Yeah. That's bad, man. Okay, so the problem is actually with group selection. Oh, I'm using group ID here. Wait, okay, now I'm lost. Group ID. Yeah, so I shouldn't use the group selection, I should use the group ID, so... You also have this problem when you press Ctrl C and it didn't actually copy anything. I'm pressing the Ctrl C, please. Okay, now it should be fine. I want to add guy. Yay, we got this. We got this. They're not in the same group. What? Okay, they are in the same group. But the 2D mission editor isn't showing it. Mission groups. Yay, okay, it added. Normally. And the game doesn't show that they are in group. Okay, that's interesting. Can I like merge them? No? Can't? Okay. That's weird. Oh, never mind. Oh no, allow them below. Wrong thing. Ugh, when the game is slowing down, I just can't select the mission to load. Okay, that's almost an hour now. Right, so X. Got a chair. Okay, markers. Markers do not really interested us for now. Triggers, no. Use select. Smaller than 0. So selection equals 8, then go to make a message. Unit selected. Okay, so if nothing is selected in the list box, then I don't want to insert any units, so I'm adding this protection. And there we go. Non-operator. Ah. Not LB code size, it's just LB size. Wrong unit selected, okay. Hey. Come on, destroy the building, please. Kill everyone. Come on, explode. I'm getting impatient. Okay, I can just drop it. still alive. What? That doesn't happen when you play. When you play the game, you just like slightly smack the ground and bam, you explode. I'm trying to destroy on purpose. Why are you resisting? It's almost like the Japanese trash ball game. Oh, there we go. Japanese trash ball game? Which one? Pikachu volleyball? That's not Japanese. Or is it? Okay, nice. So I can add units from the list, but something bothers me still. Where there's a ball of trash and it accumulates more of it. Whole genre of these things. What was it called? Katamari Damacy or something? Okay. What if I add some light? Light is kind of harsh. Okay, so this is RDB SQF, and the trouble is that I'm loading all these units when I don't need them. So how can I load only one pair of arrays at once and then load the other when necessary? Well, one solution is to put different pairs in different files, and it's gonna be a lot of files, kinda messy, so I think I'm gonna just use Fwatch. Yup, I'm gonna use Fwatch. Okay. Building. Oh, there we go. Oh, no. Not UI. DB. So I've got DB. How am I going to do it? I want a loop. That's first. Copy the code from this function. So this is a loop to go through all the categories. I just need to save it. Okay. Then I use some code from the in-game script editor. Right. I need this code. I was going to code say vanilla bin. Let's say the key is going to be how do you call it? Giraffe? Giraffe? You call it Bartek. What? Do I have a long neck or what? Why am I a giraffe? Yeah, you do. Well, really? I tested it in real life. Hope you liked it. Okay. What was I doing? Yeah, let's say the key is going to be the selection. And then what I'm going to write to this key is the it's going to be called class. Yeah, let's just see how it works. Should have added some indication that it's done. Nasty. Okay, it saved it to vanilla bin. Saved everything. Lots of nulls again. Yes, that's how it's going to work. Because this is a binary format. Right, so I'm saving the class. Now I want to save the name as well. And name is going to name right here. Okay. Binary, what if it identifies as a digit fluid? Digit fluid. Like between 0 and 1? A fraction? Yeah, what if computers didn't work on a binary system? That would be interesting. Your height is digit fluid. Your height is constant. No, when you sit you're smaller. Oh, this again. Yeah. Well, like when you sit you're taller. I remember I was watching a program and it explained this phenomenon, like the bones bend in the same places or something like that. I don't remember. So here's the homework for you. Find out why is it true? Why is it true that people with different height when sitting they appear to be similar height? Bonus points for finding it in French. Okay, I need to get back to work. I wanted to save the categories. So this. Okay, anything here, some format is not necessary. delete this file. And it's saved. That was quick. Got the categories. Got all the units. Right. Class 9. Name 9. Okay. That's great. I don't need this code anymore. Alright. So I translated this SQF code into a binary file database. No, that's a mind bender like those bones. Bones bender. Anyway, I translated this file into binary format. Custom binary format to be specific. So what that gives me, that I can load only the list of units that I'm currently using. I just need to write code to do that. Going to be here. Oh. Oh wait. Okay, I saved it kinda incorrectly now. I need to do it again. This is going to be category number. Class. No. Need array name here. It's gonna be called class. I can call it classes. And then the second array called names. Got semicolon. It's like this. And ending semicolon. I have cocoa. Do you like it? Yeah, sure I do. But how exactly are you ingesting it? Like with milk and sugar? Okay. Let's delete this file. Create it again. Got the categories. Got the classes. Got the names. Okay. Looks good. I just needed to put a pair of arrays under one key, because that's more convenient. because I can load them in one go instead of two goes, two commands. In my blood directly. Oh. I have Coke. You like it? I'm not talking about beverage, however. Okay, so that might explain a few things, like why you're playing Arma 3. What an edgelord. Such is the life in the ghetto. Maybe you should take more of the Coke and finish the Carbala mode. Okay, I wanted to load. Hmm. Um, the file is called vanilla bin, and the key that I'm going to read is just the number of the current selection. So, every selection. Easy. Alright, this should work. Oh, nope, it doesn't, because I forgot the semicolon. Nope, it doesn't. What? Oh yeah, the variables are called classes and names now. That still doesn't work. Oh yeah, categories. I didn't save the categories correctly. Okay, once again. Where is unit escape? When I finish it, I won't have a purpose in my life. That's sad. But you can buy marshmallows for Coco. It sounds good. Some things are better left unfinished. Coco isn't one of them. Yeah, true. I think it's better to finish things than don't finish. Okay. Categories. It's better to finish things than don't finish them. Be example and finish 3D mission editor. Well, that's what I'm doing. That's why I'm streaming, so I can do it finally, because I've been talking about it for years and never actually done anything. I mean, no, I kinda have a prototype before. But when I started streaming, I wrote it from scratch. Okay. Oh. Gonna be my list of categories. Yep. And this. Actually, why am I reading categories every time? It's not good. Should read it only once. But now comes the problem that I need to actually add functionality for selecting add-ons. So I guess. Huh? It's gonna be 6. Add-ons. Becomes 6. Call refresh. Add-on this. Okay, now we just need to add the function. This full list of add-on. Oops. Well, the list of add-ons is going to be fixed now. Going to be limited to the vanilla file. Okay, so this is refreshing the category list. X. And no way. Yeah, I just need to do it once. And start it and just need to load the list of categories once, and I can store it in global variable. Okay, so here's how this looks. We load the... Dobry wieczór, bardzo fajna ta muzyczka z Army 2. Is it? Right now it's something else. Oh no, it's Arma 2, okay. Ugh. Dobry wieczór, panie Rożku. 10 points for Griffin, there we go. Okay. What was I doing? Yeah. So we list the add-ons. Currently it's only the vanilla bin file. Then I load categories from the currently selected add-on. Just from the vanilla bin. Next, I display the list of categories. And based on that category, I display the list of units. Okay. See how it works. Well, it doesn't. Haha, semicolon. It doesn't. Another semicolon. What? Oh yeah. I need to call this function actually. Yay! It's loading. Loading the list of objects directly. Now let's try to add a barrel to my group. Currently it added a barrel, so everything seems fine. Guess who is here? The famous streamer. Okay, I've got the list. Let's say I want to add one more add-on. I need to convert another database. Which one we're going to load? Well, editor update, obviously. Do I actually have editor update loaded? I think so. I'm so famous I have to stream at night. Let me in, I will brag about having coca, sure. Can't wait.
Hell yeah.
Lou.
Everyone is going to die now. Everyone who's watching this stream, because I'm here.
Great, enjoying your cocoa?
Mm-hmm. It's here. Whoa. Are you scared?
Of what?
Not you.
Voice.
Oh my.
What? I don't have a data update.
What do you have?
I can load the draw mods. Too much of coke, non-beverage.
Where do you live where you can get coke?
Yeah, I've got the data update. Oh.
Really? Oh, that's a bummer.
South America, obviously. Okay. Go to root.
It was kind of hot today after a week of cold weather. I think I'm going swimming in a few days.
Nice. I mean, it's actually the opposite. It's colder today. Not for long, though. Okay,
Well, I told you we're opposites, so...
even when it comes to weather.
Duh.
Okay, I've copied the data update. Sent to be back.
Is Rojek still here?
Uh,
Oh, so... You're here to judge.
editor update. Got it. Okay, we're going to convert another database. Okay, I need to disable sound of the game. Update one. Ай-яй-яй.
Что ты сделал?
I screwed up.
Ну и зачем? Зачем?
Because I need to edit this in the Notepad++ and not with my in-game script editor.
But why did you screw it up?
Because I forgot about the bug.
No, because you're a dummy.
Oh, thank you. It's almost as hot. Yeah, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference.
Maybe you're just too old. So any weather that is above 10 degrees is hot.
Actually, 20 degrees is quite acceptable.
He's the best dummy we have. That's so adorable.
Thank you very much. It's almost a compliment.
Well, I would take it as one.
Oh, it doesn't take much to make you happy. I'm almost jealous. Unfortunately, I'm old and cynical, so...
Old and cynical. Yeah, I know how cynical you are. You are as cynical as in grandma. Sitting on a bench under a blossoming tree. You're that level of cynical.
Hey, it's almost like I'm Slavic.
Yeah, your accent gives you away.
Learn English for 30 years and still can't speak it.
But you can speak it. What?
Properly. It's rude to disagree with a lady, so my options are limited.
I mean, if you stop mixing up questions in past tense, it will be alright.
Thanks for reminding me.
You're welcome.
And stream in public before everybody.
We have 2 people.
Well, that's exactly how many.
That's the entire Operation Flashpoint.
Yes,
community.
yes, that's.
Oh.
It's true. Sad but true. Okay. Oh, yeah. This should be good.
What's the joke? We'll tell it.
You
I
don't.
do.
Well, now you said it, so you have to say it.
I do. I do want to. Oh, so I can embarrass you even more. You walk like a real life Operation Flashpoint soldier?
Thank you. Thank you very much. Keep talking, young lady.
Uh-huh. You bought your latest album. The other one says, so it was you. Well, that's actually cute.
I think that was the joke about The Polish cartoon joke about politician and voting. I'm pretty sure. I think I can even find it. Maybe. Not 60 FPS is the first sign of the fall. Well, when I'm streaming, the game is slow. I don't know why exactly. Is my computer too old for this? Is my computer too old for Operation Flashpoint? Okay. Editor update.
Wait, your hands are red because it's blood of your enemies.
Blood of my own. My hands
Well,
are.
have you seen? Yeah, they're red.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess they are. Out of my enemies. See, don't come near me, cause I will kill you. With my
That sounded so unbelievable.
bad jokes.
Леди Макбет Мценского уезда. I think no one read it except for me here.
I've read Shakespeare in high school and I don't remember any of it. I don't.
No, it's not Shakespeare.
It's not? I don't know who it is.
I don't remember. Hold on.
It's. There's a girl here.
It's Nikolai Leskov. Yeah, I've read it a long time ago. Raskolnikov. No, that's not Dostoevsky. When I read Crime and Punishment, I was like seeing myself in Raskolnikov and I was kind of scared.
That reminds me. One guy in my class was talking about the book, how he read the book and then had a nightmare after he read the book.
Well, that could be me.
Like, he said like he was him. Yeah.
Yeah, like
Scary. Okay, I just need to reset this value. Category selection. Unit selection. This one. It's not updating. No, wait. Okay, the categories are updating. But the list of units is not. Oh. Okay, that's why.
Dostoevsky's books are
Not happy books, that's for sure.
yeah, and they're weird. Like if you read, I don't know, Tolstoy or Turgenev or Bunin or I don't know, something like that. it will be weird, like how they portray Russia in such different ways, drastically different. Dostoevsky is like all grim, dark, nasty, dirty Russia and St. Petersburg. No lies, you all are bad. And Tolstoy, Turgenev are like, it's like flowers, petals, grass fields. I don't know, someone dies occasionally, but that's okay.
Dreaming about being in a Dostoevsky's book, yeah, that's true. Maybe better to dream about being in a Tolstoy book so you can get the flower. Someone dies occasionally, but that's okay. It's still not updating. Something wrong with the database? Oh. It reads correctly the list of classes, but it's not displaying them? Huh? What? Oh, because I'm using localize. Okay. Oh, I'll have to deal with that. I think not today.
Suddenly I'm so sleepy.
Really? Well, I'm going to finish within 5 minutes. Alright.
Really? You're not going to work more?
Let's keep it confined within 2 hours.
Oh, come on.
I'm going to
You're losing the race.
I'm not going to stream for 6 hours.
But at least 5.
It doesn't sound any better.
I will be sleeping anyway.
Okay, let's see how it works. Let's add I don't know, forest. Yeah, it works. Not a forest. There it is. Forest. There we go.
Well, now it looks just like Białystok.
Well, yeah, if you look at how the buildings are ugly. It's missing tanks in the middle of the street, but other than that.
Oh.
Okay, so looks like I've done it. have a list of add-ons and list of categories and list of units, and I can select unit and add it to the mission SQM. Well, could still use some tweaks like preview. And
Bubbles.
I'll have to add automatic add-on detection and some other stuff, but for now it's good. I'm gonna end the stream here.
Cool.
Automatic add-on detection. Well, it's not what you think it is.
What did you do then?
Well, when I say automatic add-on detection, I mean just checking if the add-on exists, and I do that by creating an object. If the object exists, then add-on is loaded. But what he's talking about is reading the add-on and taking a list of units from the file, from the PBO file. And it's a bit more complicated. Yeah, but I'm going to do it. It's gonna happen eventually.
Wow. No, stop.
Oh,
Oh my god.
piękna tapeta. Well, see?
It's mine. I did it.
Well, it's true, it's her photo. Okay.
When is the next stream?
Tomorrow.
Oh my god. And when is Rajek streaming?
I don't know. Ask him.
Not again? I can't keep up with all of your streams. They're so long. I just can't sit through all of them.
I stream at night.
Yeah, sometimes I check them at night if I can't fall asleep. But then I'm like, I'm not ready to sit there for at least 4 hours.
I mean, you could stream at the same time. Like, I don't think
No.
people who watch... I mean, there are people who want to watch
No.
gameplay and there are people who want to watch the scripting, which are two different things.
You are making the only two Operation Flashpoint people watch this 2 streams at once. This is not fair.
Well, I think there's a website for it. Pretty sure, multi-Twitch or something.
Oh my god. Who does that? Multi-Twitch? Jesus Christ, what kind of monsters?
I don't know, maybe if you're like watching Overwatch Grandmasters or something and they are in the same game, so you can see them from...
Yeah, but this is such a specific occasion, like holy shit.
What if someone would stream BOTH scripting and gameplay at once?
Oh my god.
What is BOTH?
Oh my god.
Oh, it's okay, it's not an acronym.
I told you it's both. Oh my god.
Brain freeze.
Not talking to you ever again.
Both scripting and gameplay at once.
How does that work?
Battle of the Hackers. EMPHASES. Well, thank you. See, my IQ has lowered to 50. My IQ,
It's 25.
my IQ has been lowering with each stream.
But if you stream for 7 hours, you will start gaining your IQ back.
Your brain is dying. Well, I am dying, that's for sure.
You're not dying.
Because of OFP. What?
You look 17.
Yeah, it's like from that movie, the Benjamin Button. I actually get younger. You're not dying, you're decaying. Thanks, that makes it better.
Well, he has a patch of gray hair.
That's true, I do. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream here. Thank you very much for coming, and see you tomorrow. Have a good night.